Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Calbiotech Ferritin ELISA test kit. You can see this here. I'll just show you around the box. This top looks like. Then on the side you have the details. Here you go, it says Calbiotech Ferritin ELISA test kit 96 well plate. You have the reference part number, lot number, and also the manufacturing date and also the expiry period. It is manufactured in Calbiotech US. You can see the temperature range is given here. I'll unbox this for you. Okay, inside the box you can see that there is one IFE brochure. You can see this here, it says Calbiotech Ferritin ELISA. The Calbiotech Ferritin SA ELISA Kit is intended for the quantitative measurement of ferritin in human serum or plasma. So you get an IFE brochure with the complete assay procedure and how to interpret your results and the limitations of your test. You get the complete details and the key contents. You can see here the key contents. Yeah, I'll put it here, and next you can see there's a certificate of analysis. You can see there's a certificate of analysis. I'll keep it here. In the certificate analysis, you can see this here. You get the catalog number and also expiry date, and also you can see this Ferritin ELISA. The key contents is given here, which is the micro wells coated with Septavian 96 well plate, and you have Ferritin standard 1, Ferritin standard 2, Ferritin standard 3, Ferritin standard 4, Ferritin standard 5, Ferritin standard 6, and anti-ferritin biotin reagent, an anti-ferritin enzyme reagent, and TMB substrate 1 bottle, stop solution 1 bottle, and wash concentrate 20 times, 20x. Just keep it here. Inside you can see Septavian coated wells, and then you can see this is how it looks like. And this is, okay, you can see this here, 96 well plate. Okay, inside you can see the different solutions. Okay, I'll quickly take one by one. You can see there is a wash concentrate 20x 25 ml bottle. Putting it back. Then you get the enzyme reagent 12 ml bottle with the lot number reference. Then I'm putting it back. You can see there is the biotin reagent, the lot number and the expiry period 12 ml bottle. I'm putting it back. Then you get an yellow top. This is TMB substrate 12 ml bottle. You can see the lot number reference part number. I'm putting it back. Then you get a stop solution. You can see 12 ml bottle. Putting it back. And then you have different Ferritin standard. You can see Ferritin standard 1 is 0.5 ml and 5 ml. I'm just putting it back. You can see the reference bottom. I'm putting it back. And again Ferritin standard 2 1.5 ml. Here's the reference bottom. This cap. Putting it back. Okay, and again if you can see this Ferritin standard 3.5 ml, you get the reference lot number, and then you can see Ferritin standard 4 1.5 ml and the part number. This is the blue top. Putting it back. Okay, and you get the Ferritin standard 5 1.5 ml. I'm putting it back. Okay, Ferritin standard 6 1.5 ml, and this is lot number reference point. Putting it back. This is how the total kit looks like. Just quickly to summarize here, today we have seen the unboxing of Calbiotech Ferritin ELISA test kit, and you get in the 96 well plate box you get one IFE brochure, one certificate of analysis, one 96 well plate, and the different solution from Ferritin standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you get an anti-ferritin biotin reagent, anti-ferritin enzyme reagent, and TMB substrate, and stop solution and wash concentrate. This is how the total test kit looks like. Thank you.